Hi World History kids! This is your official introduction to the first unit. Are you excited? I know I am. This unit is crazy. First of all, I mean it's a secret, so don't tell anyone. Shh, I know. But second semester is my favorite to teach of world history, so you're in for a treat. This particular unit covers the Industrial Revolution, imperialism, and nationalism, okay? So I'm just going to quick read through some of the stuff and talk to you about essential questions and learning objectives, and you'll be all set, okay? So the world has continued to change, and we are off to an explosive start to second semester world history. This is where the old world as we know it is gone, and industry has ushered in a new time for our globe. With modern weapons and the desire to compete with each other, new colonial territories are acquired in order to ensure the feeding of raw resources to the industrial world. And this, of course, leads to countries or territories becoming extremely proud of their national backgrounds, and this will lead to one of the greatest conflicts the world has ever seen. Dun dun dun. Yes, the times are changing. So, your essential questions are also below. These are the things that you want to be sure you're able to answer by the end of the unit, and your learning objectives are also stated, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I wish you luck on your journey with the first unit, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you, guys.